Before working with Megan, I was just coming off of a 6 month break from my business, and I also picked up a part time job during that time. I was struggling so much to come back and show up with that confidence and sell, and the imposter syndrome was really up there. I really wanted to get my confidence back to easily show up, sell again, know how to carry on any sales conversation, but also evolve into operating like a business owner and know the why and the how behind every piece of my business working together. I did have an immediate shift in confidence and in clarity. And since that point, everything compounded so quickly within the 10 weeks. I have on a daily basis over 30 conversations going on in the DMs. In 1 week, I had over 400,000 new eyes on my business, but I knew how to actually convert those eyes and to monetize it because she taught me how to do that. Now I'm easily selling in my DMs for offers between $2,000 and $20,000, confidently knowing how to have that conversation and knowing the why and the how to make the content that leads to that. If you are even considering working with Megan, I am a completely different person since Mission Income. This is not just a sales mastermind. This is a monumental shift in your entrepreneurship that will literally change you for life. I have learned more in 10 weeks than I have in 3 years of my business, and I've invested into a lot because beyond the knowledge and the content that she teaches you, it's her that makes it stick and makes it so impactful. And that is one of the most rare things to find. So I am definitely stuck with Megan for life.